it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picola's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be making wreaths, or attempting to make wreaths, so let's get into it, and let's get started with making these wreaths. These are the ones that I'm going to use. We're going to do the Halloween theme to go with first. And wreath parts literally just like exploded all over the place here. So, gotta pick through all this stuff. I have lots and lots of wreath pieces here to choose from all the different hauls that I've been doing, and actually my mom did some hauls as well, so this is what we're gonna be picking from to do these wreaths. So I decided to start with the purple, silver, and black wreath form. Purple is my favorite color, and I just think that this is so gothic and Halloween, but yet I'm trying to make it like a little bit of a classical fall feel as well. So that's why I put in the pumpkin pick, and I started with a leaf and some of these fall picks and flowers from Dollar Tree. So that's what I have started over here with this wreath. And I definitely want to work in one of these dahlia clips. I'm just trying to figure out the best color combination, the best way to do that. I already I already cut some of these. I think they were called hops from the Dollar Tree. I already did that. All of these items are from the Dollar Tree. I don't think I mentioned that already. And then I'm going to also add probably some of this with the bat. So that's what I got going so far with this wreath, and I will check back with you once I get some more things attached. Okay, so I hung it from one of the plant holders. It's not exactly staying straight. It's kind of sideways, but I really, really like it. There's the dahlia clip, and then I used a bat ribbon, some berry picks, a jack-o'-lantern Halloween pick, one of the leaves, and then this is a different pick over here. All different kinds of flowers to add texture and color. But yeah, let me zoom out again. I really, really like it. Like I said, I like the fact that it's kind of like Nightmare Before Christmas and gothic. That's the look I was going for with this one. So now, hold on, let me show you the items that I used. I have everything in a different room sprawled out all over the place, as you saw at the beginning of this video. So now we're just going to focus on the items that I used. And again, all of these are from Dollar Tree. So I used this ribbon, which I think is absolutely beautiful. And then I love the bat ribbon. I had to get that in there. And I think that this one was the best one to use it for, because it just gave a pop of color that it needed. I used this pick right here, roses, and it had a bat on it, so that was why I took that piece, and all I did was scissors and just bend it back and cut it right here. And yeah, I used this and some black leaves and the bat, and in order to get the bat to stand out, I had to layer it with other picks. I used this pick as well. I used this, which is actually Christmas, but it worked perfect because, again, I just needed that little pop of color. The pumpkins, these guys come in either a 5 or 6 pack, and they're on a stick, so very easy. This is not the actual one that I used. I used a different color, and I don't have the strip that it came on. This one actually broke. I have to glue it back together. But that's what I used for the leaf. And then it's right here where it has the clip. So I just clipped it in. And then I used these hops, again, for texture and color. Really pretty. This one I love with the feathers. I had to work that in there. And then these beautiful flowers I used. This was the hydrogenias. So I used these flowers, and I also used these, again, for texture and color. It's just basically layering the different textures and colors on top of each other. So this is fall grass. And I also used pipe cleaners, which I basically just cut in half to weave them through the back. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so as you can see, here's the pipe cleaners. So I literally just pulled the stems through and kind of like weaved them across the form That's just Gianni. And I kind of just twisted them and tied them to get them in here. So again, we'll go closer. There's the berries with the pumpkin, the leaf. There's the bat right there with the texture and the colors.
She's trying to go to a shower.
The hops, flowers, dahlia pick, and the bat. So that's it for that wreath. Now let me... Okay, so this Halloween wreath is almost done. It was very, very simple to make. I had the wreath form that was already made with the silver, orange, and black on it. And what I used was, actually my mom did half of this one. We did these together. We used one of these picks right here and just broke it up to get the leaves scattered. And then a couple of the berry picks and one of the leaves, which looks like this. Let me get it for you. The maple leaf clip-on leaves. There was gold, orange, and brown. So I am going to attach a brown one right here, and then also a ribbon right in the center. I'm just getting the glue gun ready. I'm doing this on the floor because everything's all spread out, but I'll show you how and what I used to attach the other pieces. I basically just got a couple of packages of the felt pipe cleaners and cut them in half, and kind of just, you can see that there's the white one right there, the silver. I kind of just attached them like that and like pulled whatever I needed and just pulled it through and attached it. And these come so easily apart. They're really easy to just bend and break off and use as you like. So I had attached this. This is what it looked like. So the bow was here, and then this was clipped on, but it did break. The clip did break off and I can't find it, and it's just easier. I decided to just kind of attach it with the glue gun to the wreath, to the bow, and then attach the bow to the wreath. So that's what I'm going to do right now with the glue gun, which is now warmed up. So I just glued it to this part right here, and now I'm just going to put a little more glue with the glue gun right here, glue this, and then attach the bow again. And I'm doing this one-handed as I film. So I put on the glue. Gonna push it down so that it sticks, and then attach it. Okay, so I reattached it, and then what I decided to do was move this leaf down just so it would be a little more balanced, and then I added another piece of that fall pick with the pumpkin. And this is what it looks like complete. I think it's really, really cute. It's a little bit more of a fall than Halloween wreath, but the next one is going to be more Halloween. And of course, you saw the purple and black one that I made that definitely screams Halloween. So this one's a little bit more of a subtle Halloween one. So Gianni wanted to help out with the wreaths. So this one we started together, and what I did was I used some more of that some of the bat ribbon, and I made a wreath. He wanted to use that, and then I got one of these door knocker bells, and I attached it. The circle is still there for the door knocker, but I just used it to attach it like that. So that way we have the green and the black to contrast with the purple and orange. I used some more of this ribbon here, more picks, and then I added the spooky greetings. Those were like, I don't remember what they called them, door clings or something. But they're the wooden signs, and they came in 2 packs. So I used that. Some of my sunflowers, and then a pick with the pine cones and berries. And then the other thing I did was we used more of this feather pick. And now I'm just going to add a couple more things to this wreath, and then this wreath will be done as well. So I'm going to add a pop of green and silver just to get a different pop of color. So I decided to use the Frosted Greenery. It's a Christmas pick. And then also I wanted to use up more of this other Halloween rose pick that I got, which is a different purple and black variation. I'm going to fill in this area right here, this area right here, just so it looks a little more balanced and full. And then I decided somehow I'm going to get this pumpkin pick in there and then maybe put one more of something. I haven't decided what, maybe berries or another pumpkin right here. And then this wreath will be complete. So I picked up this roses pick with the eye and the black leaves and the purple with the almost like tie-dyed effect where they go into a deeper purple and black. I am going to attach this. I kind of want to incorporate it so that it still looks a little spooky. So I was thinking of maybe putting it somehow here. So that's what I'm going to work on next. Okay, so this wreath is the one that I started with Gianni that I finished. And I really, really like the way that it came out. It's a little bit more of a spooky wreath, where the wreath that I did on my own is basically more of a Nightmare Before Christmas or Beetlejuice type inspiration from Tim Burton. This one has a little bit of that, but I just like it. I think it came out really, really cool. Gianni wanted to put on this ribbon right here, and we started with this pick, the purple. I absolutely love the eyeball right there. I think that's really cool. You can't see it unless you're looking to the side, which is also kind of cool, so it looks like it's looking at you. Here's the pumpkin pick. Balanced it off over here. Bounced it off with this pumpkin pick right here, and the purple with the pop of the green and silver I think just is really, really nice. Gothic, but also classic Halloween. And then the green door knocker with the green and black has little bats, which is cute. So again, matches the bow that Gianni wanted to add, and of course the spooky greetings. So I think it came out really, really cool. And there's the feather too. You can see the feather. And so this wreath right here is the one that my mom did. Like I said, we made the wreaths together. I made one on my own. She made one on her own. And then we made one together. And Gianni and I made one together that I finished. So this one is the one that she did on her own. And I love that it is the black and silver traditional Halloween colors, but it has the non-traditional blue pumpkins in it. And then we also added this door knocker to this one as well. And I love the acorn wreath with the brown. And you can see that there's some berry picks, sunflowers, a pomegranate pick, one of those brown picks from the leaves, and of course an orange truck, the blue pumpkins, and back to that. So I really think that one came out very, very cute. And here is the wreath hung of the one that I finished, the one that my mother had started and then I finished, and I evened off with the leaves both right here. Attached it to the bow. I think it came out really nice. It's simple, but I love the Halloween colors and the Thanksgiving colors. So this one, even though it has the orange, silver, and black, it could be a wreath that you could use past Halloween through Thanksgiving because you have the brown and the fall leaves on the ribbon.